remembering Kieran Burke, 1935 to 1988. Long-haired, wayward chieftain, sloping in from Celtic mist, recycling myth and legend through the holes of a battered tin whistle. Desk-bound, harness untackled, you surrendered to the lure of living. Like a moth to a flame, you followed the warm glow of music and the crack. Bhí an Gaeilge agat ón Gníomhán, beguiling Peggy Lettermore, lamenting Anna Cuan, embroidering and stitching your story to the night air with guitar and harmonica. In old shebeens where time was barred, you toasted life with Prabs and all. Whiskey-flavoured yarns flowed and meandered from byways of memory till dawn broke the spell through a smoky haze. Well, that ties a knot on that one, you'd say, saluting the dawn and the gift of another day. When fate struck a cruel blow, you bore your lot with stoic acceptance. With shepherd's crook, your footsteps found their echo in half-remembered places, till they faded all too soon back to the shadows of a Celtic twilight. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks very much. We're going to have a listen to Kieran singing a song called Prabs and All. It's a song in praise of drink. And the lyrics are shared with Kieran and Luke. Kieran sings the Irish version and Luke sings the English translation.